Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to the science class. Children, who are we? Yes, we are human beings. So, today our topic is the human body. From LKG onwards, you are learning about the parts of our body. Okay, now tell me what are our body parts? Yes, head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, hands, stomach, legs, etc. are our body parts. And you have also learned that we have five sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Eyes helps us to see. Ears helps us to hear. Nose helps us to smell. Tongue helps us to taste. And skin helps us to feel. Children, our body has many different parts. All our body parts work together to help us to see, hear, eat, talk, laugh, walk, run, play, sleep, write, sing, etc. Eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, etc. are our body parts which we can see with our eyes. But there are many other body parts which we cannot see with our eyes, like heart, brain, kidneys, lungs, etc. in our body. They help us in many ways. Once all of you close your eyes and keep your hand on your chest, and then listen how your heart beats. Can you hear any sound? Yes, you can hear the sound lub-dub, lub-dub, lub-dub. Yes, children? And now take a deep breath. What you have felt now? You will feel the expansion of your chest. Children, are you telling your body to do all these things? That is, are you telling your heart to beat and your lungs to breathe? Or your stomach to break down the food? No, but all these things are done by the body on its own. Our body is like a machine that keeps us alive and healthy. Now let us know about organ system of the human body. Our body is made by different organs. These organs are classified into external organs and internal organs. The organs which we can see are called external organs. For example, eyes, ears, nose, hands, legs, etc. And the organs which we cannot see are called internal organs. For example, heart, brain, lungs, bones, etc. Each organ has its own function. For example, heart pumps the blood. Lungs helps us to breathe. Brain helps us to control all the functions in our body. Like this, there are many internal organs which do their specific work. These organs are formed by tissues, and these tissues are formed by the cells. And a cell is the smallest unit of life. Our body is made up of many cells. There are millions of tiny cells in our body, and there are many types of cells. And a tissue is made up of same type of cells. Understood, children? In our body, there are many cells. Cells of the same type combine to form a tissue. And these tissues form an organ. And these organs form an organ system. An organ system is formed by a set of organs. Set of organs which do a specific job. Different organ systems in our body work like a team. Their job is to keep us alive and healthy. For example, let us take a car. Why we use car? To travel from one place to another place. To run a car, what does it needs? Yes, driver, petrol, tires, engine, etc. If there is no driver means, does the car move? Or if there is no petrol, or if there are no tires means, does the car move? No, it does not move. To run the car, each and every part is necessary. That means it should have driver, it should have petrol, it should have tires and engine also. These all parts work together to run the car. And if the petrol is over means, we have to refill the car again with the petrol. Otherwise, it does not move. And also, if there is no air in tires means, the car does not move. So, to run a car, it needs all the parts. Like that, our body is made up of different organ systems. They all work together to keep us alive and healthy. If any organ system in our body stops doing its work means we won't be alive. So to be alive and to be healthy, each and every organ in our body should do its work properly. So we also have to take care of our body organs to work properly by doing regular exercises and by taking healthy diet. Understood, children? In our body there are different organ systems. Some of the organ systems we have in our body are nervous system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, skeletal system, muscular system, excretory system, etc. Once again I am repeating, children. Nervous system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, skeletal system, muscular system, excretory system, etc. are some of the organ systems present in our body. Okay, children, in the next class, let us know about each type of organ system. Now, note down today's assignment. Name the different types of organ systems in our body. Thank you.